This video describes the blogging feature as part of OfferingTree. In order to start using this new feature, log into your account, enter your dashboard, and once you've entered your dashboard, you'll see that under Edit My Website on the left, there's a new tab called Blog. When you click on the Blog tab, this opens up the window showing all of your draft or published blogs. If you want to see a previously created blog, you can simply click on the edit symbol next to one of the blog posts. This will open up the editor window. It'll show you the publication date at which you posted your blog. It'll show you the title of the blog post. It'll show you any tags that you've associated with this blog, and this is useful because search engines will use these tags and it will make your content more relevant. So if someone's looking for information about trampoline gymnastics, and if you put in the tag trampoline, this tag will then be associated with your post so that when search engines are looking for information, they'll know that you have potentially a relevant post on this topic. Finally, below you'll see that you can just type and edit like you would in any normal word processing program, and this allows you to add in new text. This is my text, and you can even change the formatting of this. So if you highlight a word, you can change it to bold, italics, underline. You can also create a hyperlink to other content. You can even add in bulleted lists or numbered lists, and you can also change whether it's title text or just normal text. So there's a lot of rich text formatting options that are available as you're writing your blog, simply by highlighting the text. So this is what to do if you are editing a blog, and in this case I've saved the changes because this blog was previously published, so now those changes are now live, and you'll see that the tag trampoline is listed here. Let's say that you want to create a new blog. All you need to do is hit the Create Blog feature, and you'll see that the published date is set for today's date. I can change this to a date in the past or even a date in the future. And notice that if I change it to a date in the future, let's say I change it to this Sunday, when I go down it'll say publish on 12/17. So this means that your blog is scheduled to be published at a future date. So the system knows that if you're scheduling it to be published in the future. So in this case, I'm going to type in test blog as my title. I'm going to add in a tag. In this case, it will be a tag on blogging, so that if anyone's looking for information about blogging, this will potentially come up. Now I'm going to type in, this is my blog title. I want to make this the title text, so I'm going to highlight all of this text here, make it the title text, and then I'm going to create a new line. Now in this case I want to add a picture, so you'll see that in the new line there's this plus symbol. Each time I hit a new line there's this little plus symbol that pops up. In this case, if I click the plus symbol, you'll see an image icon. This allows me to upload an image into this blog post. In this case, I'll upload a sunset. And then down here I'll say, this is my wonderful blog that contains really useful information. Now that I've got that looking the way that I want it to, I can go ahead and save this as a draft if I want to work on this later and not publish it, or I can schedule it to publish in the future on 12/17. But since I want to show you how this feature works, I'm actually going to set the blog to today's date, which you'll see is always highlighted in a different color. So here it is. So today's date. So now you'll see that it just says publish. So as soon as I hit publish, it says blog has been created and it's now published. So what does that mean? Well, it means that if I go to my site, if I'm a student or a client and I'm looking at my site, then you'll see a new tab at the top that says blog. And when you see this tab, you'll see all the prior blog posts that I've created and this new one, test blog, which has the date of today, and it gives a little preview about what's in the blog. This is my blog title, this is my wonderful blog that contains really useful information, and there's this handy read more button. So if I click on this, this pulls up the full blog. It shows that it was written by me, it shows the date by it was written. It also shows what I had typed in the blog, and you'll see down below it includes the tags associated with the blog. So there's blogging, the tag that I put in. So this is a really handy feature because it allows you to produce high quality content that's relevant for your clients and your students. And it does it in a way that is very intuitive and easy to use. And it lets your clients and students know that you have relevant information and that you're keeping things fresh on your site for things that they might be interested in. So this is the basic overview of using the blog feature. You'll also notice that at any point, if you want to unpublish a previously published blog, all you need to do is click on this toggle and say unpublish. And that means that it's no longer published out on your site. So you can easily turn posts on or off depending on what you'd like to do. And as always, if you ever want to edit a previously published or even an unpublished blog, all you need to do is click on the edit symbol and it takes you right back into that particular blog post. And then to get back to the blog, you'll notice at the top of the screen there is this hierarchy here that shows the crumbs to get you back to your blog screen itself. You can also do that by simply clicking on blog. And then the last thing is if you ever want to delete a blog, you just click the trash can icon and that will delete one of the blog posts. So this is and it gives you the little system message at the bottom. So this is an overview of the new blog feature that has been rolled out, and we hope that you find this useful, and we look forward to seeing all that you have to offer.